I'm going to put a dash of soy sauce. We're going to grill up some veggies as a side dish. Let's go ahead and grab some of this broccoli. I'm going to break off one of these branches as well. Okay, let's go ahead and put this in our dish as well. How about some collard greens? Let's grab some big pieces here. See, right over here, I'm going to pick this. This is called cheddar cauliflower. And this cauliflower looks like it's actually starting to bolt. So I want to harvest this before it turns to flower. I might let one of these actually just keep growing and let it go to flower so I can collect some seeds. Starting to bolt. So let's just go ahead and I'm going to break that off and we'll go ahead and cook this up as well. Look at that nice arrangement. Okay, let's get some of these down here. Oh, Pumpkin, you gonna help out? Now this is called cheddar cauliflower, just like my orange cat. He's also cheddar colored. I'll leave a little bit so we can check these seeds. Let's go inside, we'll grill this up. Ooh, look at this, we got some flowers from our peach tree. Maybe we could put some edible flowers in as well. All right, let's go inside. You want to get some really nice hot oil. Let's throw this in there. Okay. Okay, we put some salt on there too, towards the end here. And that just will kind of cook itself. Salt will. Again, this is an excellent side dish to whatever meal you're eating. Just simply go outside, grab some vegetables, and within 5 minutes you have a delicious side dish to your meal. So healthy and organic and fresh. Nice to be out in your garden as well. So it's just a quick stir fry. If you want, we could put a little bit of soy on there as well to give it a little bit of an Asian flair. I'm going to put a dash of soy sauce. Just a dash. Not much. You really don't need very much. The salt alone is going to do a lot. But right at the end, just a dash of soy sauce will just take it to another level. Okay, let's get this outside. We're going to turn it off. Let's go ahead and turn that off. That's beautiful. A little more here. Okay, let's go ahead and let's try a sample. This is the broccoli. Okay, here's some of the cauliflower, the orange cauliflower called cheddar. Let's try that. Wow, so different. Let's try some of the collard greens. Looks like the collard greens cooked a little bit more. Let's try the collard greens out. 5-minute meal. Super healthy. Let's try another one of the cheddar cauliflower. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. wish you could try this out for yourself. It is so good. So we'll see you guys next time. Get out there and grow organic, and make sure you're eating organic as well. Eat all the food that you're growing. Don't let it go to flour. Keep track of your garden. And we'll see you guys next time. Check out nice skyline and sun coming through those palm trees.